Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic that how to motivate yourself. Friend, today's topic is very important, very interesting, and I'm hopeful that you would like this video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. Friend, today's topic is that how to motivate yourself. Friend, due to several reasons like some failures in life or some stress in life, due to that reason, it becomes difficult for us to motivate our own self. So, getting motivation is hard, especially when you are in a funk or stressful position about one of the many things going on in your life. For example, due to some failures in life, due to some problems in relationships, due to some problems in professional life, career, or educational life, and during the studies. So, pushing yourself to follow your dreams or let alone get out of bed in the morning is something easier said than done. Luckily, we know a few ways to give you all the motivation you need to tackle whatever might be in front of you. So let's start, friend. What are the ways through which we can motivate ourselves? First of all, just start. Just start means that, friend, whatever you want to do, like just start the things. Like for example, you want to go for a studies abroad. You want to become a doctor. You want to become a very good project manager, for example. So don't just think like just sitting in a room in a cold room and just thinking that you want to become a very good project manager or you want to be a successful in your life. It doesn't mean you just have to start the things. Whatever you want to do, just start the things. With the passage of time, things will become better. First thing. Then the second thing, that whatever you want to do, like don't think in a very big picture. Just try to drill down the things. Just try to divide the things into smaller things, because the smaller things, smaller tasks you can easily manage. Create a positive mindset. Like friend, whatever the negativity in your mind, for example, honestly saying, many times we think that our relatives, they are not supporting to us, they are not providing the required support to us, etc. Whatever the negative thoughts in your mind, just try to avoid the negative thoughts and be a positive person, and with a very positive mindset, just try to achieve with it. Then creating a feeling of gratitude. Gratitude means that, friend, whoever is involving in your life, just try to just give thanks to him. Thanks to your own life, thanks to God or Allah, that he has given you a life. Thanks to your wife, thanks to your children, thanks to your relatives, thanks to your professionals. So having a gratitude in your life. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself means that, friend, like for example, if due to some failures, due to some problems, you are annoyed by your own self, for example, so try to be kind yourself. Like take a healthy life, take some exercise, go outside, meet with friends. So try to be kind to your own self, spend some time with your own self. Be constructive. Always try to do something new. Always try to do some constructive. Like you can try to do something new, make some food at home, go for a new lunch, new dinner. Be constructive. Like try to do something new in your life. Cut your to-do list down. That means you should have a life, you should have a points in your life what you want to do. You should have a to-do list in your mind. Not only in the mind, you should have a to-do list on the paper as well. Set attainable goals that excite you. Like think that what actually you want, that will achieve, that will excite you. For example, I feel excitement when I make videos, educational videos. Okay, so you can also think that whatever the things that will excite you. Okay, try to understand those things. Imagine your future. If you don't change. Like imagination means that think that what will happen after 5 years. You will become a manager of the company, you will become a CTO of a company. So try to think from your mind about future. Reflect on how far you have come. That think that how much things you have achieved till now. Whatever the things you have achieved, you must have to think, you must have to realize that these are the things which you have already achieved. This is a very very big thing, friend, because see, in the life, in the world, there are thousands and thousands of people that they don't even have money, they don't have that salary which you are earning, they don't have that education which you have. So must have to think the whatever the things in your hands. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.